Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to will be linked to down below in the description. And let's get right into the video. So all I'm doing right now is using this cuticle ball bit to go up around her skin and get any of that dead skin off. Make sure you use the bit in forward and reverse. It just makes it a lot easier. And now all I'm doing is going in and dehydrating the nail. I had already removed the shine from the nail with the 180 grit sanding band. I'm using the Glam base coat as my base coat. Right now all I'm doing is priming with the Mia Secret primer. I like to prep as though I'm prepping for acrylics. This is an acid-free primer, by the way, if you've never heard of the Mia Secret primer. After I have this primer applied, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Glam base coat. You want to be careful not to get either of these things on the skin, and if you do, go ahead and wipe it off. Especially with the gel, you do not want it to cure on the skin because it can cause lifting, so be very careful. Same thing with the primer. If you get on the skin, it can also cause lifting. Make sure you apply a thin, even layer across the entire nail, including the sidewalls, because if you miss a spot, the polish will lift. And this is a brush from a Beatles kit, and I'm dipping it in some alcohol just because I noticed alcohol gets it up better. And here is the cat eye color. It's from Pewet or Pewnet. There's pretty much the same brand. And they have like very similar glitters. One of them I bought myself, and then the other one was given to me by Christy Mays, and this is a pink holographic color. And then after I'm done applying this color, I did 2 coats of it. I went ahead and used the universal cat eye color that I showed you guys in a previous video. Like I said, you want to make sure you get up any of the gel polish that gets on the skin. Make sure you use a brush and like some alcohol or some acetone to get it, not just your nail, because it won't fully like clean it. So that is what I'm doing. I'm making sure I get everything up, and this is still like the first layer, so you want to cure this for a full, it technically says like 90 seconds, but I have a LED lamp, so I only need to cure it for about 60 to 30 seconds. I went ahead and just did pretty much 60 for this, and then when it comes to the cat eye, you really only need like 30 seconds to cure it, and I kind of just did one whole hand and then the other whole hand anyways. So yes, after the second coat, I will be applying the cat eye. Noticing the thumb is wrinkling or it's not curing properly, go ahead and cure it separately. But if you're wondering what that red stuff is that's on the napkin, I went ahead and removed her previous set before this. So for some reason, the camera got blurry once I changed the angle. Like, I didn't touch anything else, but because the glitter is so sparkly, it does not want to focus on the glitter. There's nothing I could have done about it. It just did not want to, because the camera does not like sparkle. So we were looking at it like, it's not doing nothing. It's not doing nothing. Like, I know these magnets work because these are the magnets I bought in that kit. And I noticed that the only magnet that really works with any of the polishes really well is the little tubular one it came with, but I could not find it. So I went ahead and used the back of the other magnet and like the circular part, and it worked perfectly. And she was obsessed with the shift, you guys. she said that these are her favorite nails, and she is going to be a cat eye girly from now on. So I think I did a good job. This is my older sister, by the way. I never got to do her nails before. I only removed them one time, and that was it. So it's cool that I finally got to do her nails. And she was obsessed. She kind of just told me to do something random on each nail. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do. So all you do is apply one thin layer of the universal cat eye, and then you use the magnet, and then you could choose to cure it, finger by finger and alternate like that, or you can just kind of do one hand. It depends. This gel doesn't really slide, I've noticed, especially if there's a tacky layer underneath it. It's not going to slide. If you don't see the magnet shifting, add another layer, and then try again with the magnet, and everything should work just fine. You might have to get a stronger magnet. Like this small little circular magnet is incredibly strong, but the big one was not for some reason. So you can clearly see like it's still pink underneath. And I was telling her, you might be like, this is silver, what are you doing? I want it pink. But once you see the effect, you're gonna understand why. There is some pink gel polishes that are Holo glitters and cat eyes. I just don't own any. So after I went ahead and did that, she wanted a Sagittarius sticker, and I went ahead and applied a layer of top coat. She wanted a Sagittarius, I think it was like the horoscope or something, like the star placement, and then like the little arrow thing. So that's what she wanted. And after that, I went ahead and top coated like regular using Natali Carmona top coat. Again, make sure you don't get any of the gel polish on the skin. And I went ahead and cured the top coat for a full 120 seconds. So where the nails that I have the stickers on, I'm pretty sure one is just a regular star maybe, and then the other one is the actual, like arrow thing. But yeah, all I'm gonna do is apply top coat again on those two nails. You could have applied base coat and then top coat if you really wanted to, but 2 layers of top coat is fine, and the top coat should not peel from itself. And again, I'm going to cure it for a full 120 seconds. 60 is fine, it cures in 60, but for some reason once you do 120, it just looks better. I don't know the reasoning. She said she wanted like the sides of her nails to be rounded, so I went ahead and used the buffer, like where like the skin was flaking. So yeah, this is Bombnails cuticle oil. It's rose cuticle oil, and all you want to do is rub around the cuticles. You don't have to rub on the skin so far, but I like to because it kind of is moisturizing. And of course, you don't know if someone's allergic to like a lotion or something, so I like to use the oil instead because typically they're not allergic to the oil. So yes, but you guys, these turn out so cute. Stay tuned for the final reveal photo. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.